Are you manually scrolling through spreadsheets trying to spot missing data? That is a huge waste of your time and it is completely unnecessary. When you receive a large data set from a colleague or a database export, there are almost always missing values hiding somewhere in those hundreds of rows. Here we have a simple employee data set with names, departments, and email addresses. Notice that some cells are completely empty. Click on an empty cell where you want your audit summary to appear, then type. Now in the very next cell, type equals count blank, open a parenthesis, select that same email range and close the parenthesis. Count blank does the exact opposite of count A. Look at the result. Count A returned 5, meaning only 5 employees have an email on file, while count blank returned 3. You just learned how to use Count A and Count Blank to audit any spreadsheet and find missing data in under 5 seconds. If this tip